McCulloch V Maryland case, which was decided in 1819. And little background is you had in 1818, state of Maryland approved legislation to impose taxes on the Second National Bank, which was chartered by Congress. And you had James McCulloch, who was a cashier at the Baltimore branch of the bank, and what he did, he refused to pay taxes, and he had Maryland file a suit against McCulloch to basically force him to pay those taxes, and that's when things were taken to the Supreme Court.
There is two constitutional questions. Number 1, did Congress have the authority to establish the bank? Number 2, did Maryland law unconstitutionally interfere with congressional powers? The majority holding was a unanimous decision for McCulloch. In a unanimous decision, the court held that Congress had the power to incorporate the bank and that Maryland could not tax instruments of the national government employed in the execution of constitutional powers. Therefore, Maryland may not impose a tax on the bank.
Although Congress did not specifically have the power to create a bank in the Constitution, they did have the power to tax and spend money. With the necessary and proper clause of the Constitution, the court found that a bank was necessary to tax and spend and could therefore create the bank. Maryland also could not tax the national bank because the federal government is supreme to the state government and the tax would interfere with its operations.
Furthermore, this case defined federalism, which powers are divided between the national and state government, and it also established the necessary and proper clause. To this day, our nation still faces issues with federalism such as healthcare, immigration, the LGBTQ issues, and the Second Amendment.